Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So let us talk about the concept of symbolic constants. Symbolic constants. So we already know that what is the concept of constant. Okay, so again we have to talk about what is a constant. So constant means it is one kind of fixed values. So how to define a constant? To define a constant in a program, we need variable. Okay, so already we know that what is a variable and how to assign variable, how to define a variable in a program. We already studied in the previous video. You can watch that. And types of variables is also one of the important question. Okay, so in examination there is a most important question theoretically. So what is a symbolic constant? Okay, so let us go through in detail information about what is a symbolic constant. Okay, so symbolic constant means in C or in C++ we define one of the tag. The tag name is called hash defined. So we are using hash defined. So hash defined, and there is a one kind of variable which is identified with the capital letters equal to some value. So this one we can call it as symbolic constant. Okay, but how to define in Java? How to define in Java language? So that is our topic. Okay, how to define symbolic constants in Java language. Okay, so let us see in detail information about what is a symbolic constant. You can clearly observe that this equation. So in this equation you can find out what is a constant and what is a variable. So 4, 7, 5 called values. These values we can say that constants. And x, this x, okay, so this x we can call it as variable. Okay, so already we discussed this information earlier. Okay, again for your understanding I'm telling all the things. This minus and equal to, so this minus and equal to, both we can call it as operators. Okay, so in this equation we have variables, values and operators. Total we have three concepts: variables, values and operators, right? Already we know that constants basically using in different type of variables like a, b, c. So for example, 5 value assigned to a, 10 value is assigned to b, 15 value assigned to c. So in this area we can say that a, b, c are called variables. Okay, and 5, 10, 15 are called constants. Okay, so what is exactly concept of symbolic constant? Symbolic constant is nothing but it is one type of fixed value. So what is a fixed value? So the fixed value is nothing but once we have to define this value, and this value cannot be changed entire program. That is called as fixed value. Let us understand symbolic constant in detail. So we can observe that pi value, and in a bank's fixed deposits. Okay, in examination maximum marks, and in a similar manner we can observe that hall ticket number of examination. Okay, as well as accounting number like train number. See, these values we cannot change. These values, whatever values I defined here, all values overall program we cannot change. Okay, so this kind of values we must be defined like symbolic constants. So symbolic constant means a value must be fixed. Okay, so this value cannot be changed in entire program. I hope you understand what is the concept of symbolic constant. So let us see how to define symbolic constant in the Java language. Syntactically, how to define in Java language. Okay, so in a mathematical constant like pi value or fixed deposit in a banks and maximum marks in examination, hall ticket number, as well as account number of the bank, train number, whatever thing you have to take in the real life, that value must be same in entire program. That means if you take the pi value must be 3.14159. But sometimes in your program you are taking the value like 3.14. Sometimes we are taking the value like 3.15. Sometimes you are taking like 3.1. If you want to change the value, this value is affected in your program. Okay, so that's why we have to define pi value is a global value. Okay, so if you define pi value is a global value, that will be improve accuracy of your program. Okay, so that's why that values must be symbolic values. That means symbolic constants. Okay, similarly, if you go for the fixed deposit in the bank, so in the fixed deposit sometimes it is 6.5%, sometimes 5.10%. So the term will be entire year. So you will get the one sheet, you will get the one statement. So that is the fixed value of your deposit. Okay, so this value we cannot change. Okay, so this kind of concept we had to use in the concept of symbolic constant. Similarly, we can take the mathematical marks. Okay, so in the mathematical marks we had to define like maximum marks, we had to define like 100. So this 100 value cannot be changed during that period of examination. Okay, so it will be fixed. So this fixed value cannot be changed during the correction. Okay, similarly hall ticket number and similarly accounting number. See, this account number is permanent. Whenever you go for the bank, this account number cannot be changed. Okay, so that kind of values we have to define as a symbolic constants. Okay, similarly train number. If you want to go for some journey, the train number cannot be changed. Destinations will be changed, passengers will be changed. And similarly, we can also take it as PNR number. See, a value must be unique. Okay, so a value must be unique in a program. That kind of value we can say that symbolic constant. Okay, so let us see how to define symbolic constants in Java language. In Java language, to define symbolic constant, we have to use the keyword is called final. Okay, so once a keyword define final in front of data type, that kind of value of the particular variable, we can say that it is a symbolic constant. So let us understand with the syntax. So the syntax will be like this. So we should use final, and final is a keyword, data type is keyword, and followed by we have to define variable equal to, we must define value. Okay, so this value is fixed. So this value is fixed for entire program. Okay, so like account number, like pi value, like hall ticket number, anything we can call it as fixed. So let us understand with the example. So as per this syntax, example will be like this. We should use final is a keyword. I'm going to define double for pi value, double, and for the double value is pi. Okay, says syntactically a value must be capital letters, then we can easily identify symbolic constant. So what is the pi value? 3.14159. Okay, and this value is common for entire program. Okay, so this is one example. For more understanding, we can go for one more example. So like final and float. Okay, in place of float we can take it as integer. Int, I'm going to define marks like max equal to, so my value is like 100. Okay, so this 100 is This 100 is fixed value. This value is available in entire program. So this kind of concept we can call it as symbolic constant. Symbolic constant. Okay, so simple. Whenever a variable defined as a final keyword, then that kind of variable is called as symbolic variable or symbolic constant of entire program. Okay, so here there are two rules, and the first rule is called as a symbolic constant must be capital letters. Okay, so it is not a constraint. Okay, it is like a simple rule to understanding the program. And the second point is this can be available in entire program. This availability will be available, we cannot modify, and we can easily understand in entire program. Okay, so let us see with the program. Let us run this program. See, this is the way we have to define pi value. This pi value will be printed like this, and this is the basic program as per the syntax. Let us see advanced program in further stages. Okay, so I hope you understand what is a symbolic constant in Java language. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.